Oh, here is a beautiful look at our beautiful city of downtown Detroit. You are watching Live in the D on a Thursday morning. We're knocking on the door to Halloween.
Yeah, the lion's not at home.
Right.
Jolly old England
that's
with
right.
Tim Pamplin. The night cam is here, and look for his reports on later editions of Local 4 News. Have you practiced your mad scientist laugh?
Well, I did with these specs. I think these are fun, but I don't do the laugh. You do the laugh. Well, Monster Mash is going on, by the way, at the Michigan Science Center this weekend, and it's some pretty cool stuff. It's Saturday and Sunday. It's all day long. Kids under 5 get to make a peekaboo ghost craft. Kids ages 6 and up get to build a goblin, and then there's some instant worm chemistry demonstrations, which we were talking about on the tease there.
Yeah.
So there's lots of fun stuff, and our friends came over to kind of show us what we're gonna be doing.
Charlie and Mike from the Michigan Science Center are here with us. What are we going to start with first?
Well,
what are you cooking up?
I am cooking up some dry ice, actually. I have some, this is frozen carbon dioxide. And what Charlie and I are going to do is we are going to take it and dump it into, ooh, that was splashed.
Anytime you can make that little smoky stuff, it's so fun.
There we go. I guess this is where the glasses go on.
I think so.
Yes.
Now, when you do this in the pumpkin, how long does it smoke?
So you have to actually use warm water. So once the water really starts to cool down, you just don't get that fog.
Okay, so you couldn't like do it and it wouldn't last for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, probably about that long.
Oh,
actually.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's
And
pretty
the best
cool
part
for like
is
an entrance if somebody's coming to your house or something.
Definitely.
Can you hear the bubbling effect going on there?
Yeah, it's crazy.
So what's actually happening is that it's sublimating, so dry ice doesn't melt. So it goes directly from a solid to a gas. And because it's so cold, it's actually condensing the water vapor. So all this this fog that you see is actually exactly that. It's a cloud. It's condensed water vapor.
And this is some of the stuff that you'll be showing the kids.
Yeah,
during
so
the Monster Mash.
dry ice demos are commonplace at the Science Center, so we do these things all the time. But we've got, it's extra special on Halloween.
And obviously, I was going to say, you wear the gloves because you could literally...
Really cold. In fact, Mike's going to show you something really cool down here.
Yeah, so it's actually negative 109 degrees Fahrenheit.
Really?
That's how cold it is.
So
the reason
cold
why,
it will burn you.
Yes, or frostbite even worse. You know, I don't want my fingers to turn purple, you know. So what I'm going to do is I love bubbles. You know, kids love bubbles. I'm going to trap this in a bubble.
Oh. Okay.
This is real easy to do at home.
Can I touch that or is something going to happen?
A little bit of dish soap. We can see how, like, you know.
Wow.
But yeah,
do you want to pop it?
Could I?
Yes, you
I'm
can
not
pop
gonna
it.
get hurt?
You're not going to get hurt, no.
Ooh, that's fun.
It's like the atomic drop. I like that. It's really cool.
That is cool stuff. See, I love these kind of experiments. Okay, now what do we do? We were talking about what, worms?
Worms, yeah. So we're going to be doing a little bit of chemistry here, and we actually don't need our gloves for this one because this stuff is it's used in food.
This one. It's really cool.
It's used in food. So this is sodium alginate, and sodium alginate's used in everything from salad dressings to jellies and jams, stuff like that, because it's a good thickener. So what we've done is we mixed it in some water, and then what we've got here is a solution of calcium chloride and water. So calcium chloride is the stuff you'd use on your ice, like out on your porch. Yeah. Okay. So you can go ahead, add that in there.
All of it?
Yep. Go ahead, and you can take that spoon there just to stir it in. So we mix it up a little bit. All right, so this salty solution is releasing those calcium ions. And what those calcium ions are going to do when we add in our sodium alginate is it's going to cross-link. So we're going to form polymers. All right.
These are such big words.
Yeah, so science words there. Yeah,
science, I love them, though. I remember science class.
So we're going to form long chains of molecules, essentially, is what a polymer is. So you kind of saw what I did earlier. If you want to take, you can pick your color, actually. We got all different kinds.
Okay, well, I'll do blue.
Do blue,
just because it'll stand
and go
out.
ahead and squirt a solid stream in there. So make sure,
this.
Keeps going.
Keep
That's
going?
perfect.
Green is just gross.
That's perfect. All right.
Here,
you can do green then. You can do green next. And go ahead and reach in there with your finger and pull that right out. And you'll see that all those molecules have started to link together with those calcium ions.
Oh, the kids have to love this because it's slime.
Yeah. Now, when you do this demonstration, do the kids get to touch it and stuff
so
like that?
the kids are actually going to be able to do this themselves. So we're going to use pipettes. So they're going to suck up some of this stuff into pipettes. We like to get them using the scientific equipment. And they're going to be able to squirt that into their own solution and actually take their worms home with them.
Oh, they can take them home.
So it's a clean little thing. Now, if we wanted to do this at home, how hard would it be? We got to be careful with the kids and the dry ice.
Absolutely.
Yeah, with the dry ice, you can easily get it at Meijer, but obviously adult needs to get it. And then you need to have proper, safety wear, proper gloves. But as long as, the kids don't touch, you can have fun with the bubbles, you can have fun with all this. You feel like the mad scientist.
I like like this.
going
These
on.
are fun
Yeah,
ideas.
it's really rad. It's really cool.
Yeah, now
All
the
right.
sodium alginate stuff you can get on online. You can probably get it at some health food stores because it's actually a seaweed extract.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really?
All right, again, it is the Monster Mash going on at the Michigan Science Center. It goes on Saturday and Sunday all day long. Kids 5 and
Bless
under,
you.
like we said, they get to make a peekaboo ghost. Kids 6 and up build a goblin, and there's so many cool demonstrations. So if you're looking for something fun and spooky to do, check out the Michigan Science Center. Thank you guys.
I think
Always
it's, oh.
What were you doing? Did I miss it?
I sneezed.
Yeah, we're
I'm sorry.
still 12.
Oh, boys,
You gotta have fun.
boys,
You gotta
boys.
have fun.